Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the course of Natural Language Text Processing in your third year, semester 6. This is the information about the course. The course name is Natural Language Text Processing. It is also having the laboratory in your syllabus, and you are going to study this course in your semester 6. The prerequisite for the course is Machine Learning 2, Foundations of Data Analysis and Statistics for Data Science. The course objective is to introduce the basics of language computational fundamental through morphological computation, syntax, semantic and discourse analysis. Apply these concepts to develop computational models for real world applications. There are certain course outcomes. First course outcome is apply appropriate pre-processing techniques on linguistic data. Its Bloom's level is L3 and Bloom's description is apply. The second course outcome is analyze different machine learning and deep learning algorithms to develop applications based on the natural language processing. The Bloom's level is L4 along with Bloom's description analyze. Third course outcome is evaluate natural language processing applications. The Bloom's level is L5 and Bloom's description is evaluate. These are the course contents for the natural language text processing course. In unit number 2, we are going to learn the introductory part of natural language text processing systems, which includes the levels of NLP, then different types of ambiguities in natural language, stages in NLP, different challenges in the field of NLP, and applications of machine learning, machine translation. The second part of unit number 1 is the text processing, wherein we will learn the different pre-processing steps for the textual data like tokenization and segmentation, stemming, lemmatization. Then we will talk about the introductory part of the vectorization technique, that is one-hot encoding and bag of words. Then different language model we will going to talk in unit number 1, that is the n-gram language model. Concept of edit distance is also included in unit number 1, and then we will learn about the evaluation of language models, and we will also at the end we will also learn the different smoothing techniques applied to NLP models. This unit number 1 is dedicated for 5 hours. Then unit number 2 is about the computational semantics and semantic parsing, wherein we will learn the vector semantics, which talks about the TF-IDF matrix, then advanced vectorization techniques like word-to-vec, continuous bag of words, global vector methods, then PMI and PPMI vector models. In the second part of unit number 2, we will learn about the lexical semantics, which talks about the word sense disambiguation and the different algorithms related to that. This unit number 2 is dedicated for 9 hours. Unit number 3 is about the text classification, where we will learn the different discriminative classifiers and generative classifiers. Here we will learn the naive-Bayes classifier and support vector classifier, which we will be using in the field of like sentiment analysis and movie prediction ratings. This unit number 3 is dedicated for 5 hours. Unit number 4 is the recurrent neural networks, wherein we will learn the different types of RNNs, then RNNs for sequence classification, stacked RNN, bidirectional RNN, then the advanced versions of RNN like long short-term memory and gated recurrent unit. This also we will learn in unit number 4, and this unit number 4 is for 7 hours. Then unit number 5 is about the computational morphology and syntax analysis. In computational morphology, we will study about the inflectional morphology, derivational morphology, and some regular expressions also we will study here. The second